Hey guys, good morning, happy Sunday. Off to church. It's a beautiful, beautiful morning to be happy and to thank God for the life and the good graces and the mercies and everything that He has done for us. So let's go to church and tell God thank you and ask for more blessings because we need them. We need them, yeah. So yeah, see you there.
When he was born, he gave us a world that has plenty. And this plenty, he gave us dominion over. And what he gave
Happy birthday, dear Washera. Happy birthday, dear Washera. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday, dear Washera.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play
All done. Look at that. Yo, look at that. Tell me why people don't wax. Why?
like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing. Sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you, I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you, I knew this. When I'm with you, I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded.
I am in school having such a shitty day. I can't believe I have to walk for like 15 minutes to get something to be printed. Printing, a whole school does not have a place where students can print stuff. Like, what the hell? I am so tired. It's so sunny. I'm not having a good day. This is just not a good day. I just want my certificate and I just want to go home and sleep or cry. And my laptop, my laptop is just... When I say I'm having a bad day, I'm not even exaggerating this. First of all, I have it. But tell me what this is. Explain to me why my faculty does not have our, as a class, not mine peke yangu, as a class, as a whole class, haina transcripts zetu. Now I have to take this to the exam whatever. You know, me, I'm just... How is it that a whole faculty haina transcripts, a whole faculty? Is this a joke? Was my course a joke? Was my course a joke to you? So I've been asked to come back some other day when it will be communicated that we can now pick our transcript as a faculty. A whole faculty does not have... It's the ghetto. It's the ghetto. But on the side note, I was having such a shitty day. But after seeing this, I'm so happy. I am so happy. At least I'm coming, like, at least nimetoka na hii leo. Some construction is being done, but like, at least I have this. It just makes everything better. Today was not a good day. But let me get home and then I'll talk to you guys. Ooh, 5 years. 5 years. Hey, 5 years. It's real. After the graduation was not real as this one. This one is just real. I feel happy.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Happy Sunday. I am coming from church. Today was such a blessing. I feel so blessed. It's going to be a very beautiful afternoon for me. Wow, this vlog has been from Sunday to Sunday. This vlog will be going up tomorrow. I hope I'm able to edit it and post it by Kesho on Monday, because today is Sunday. It's been a very beautiful week with you guys. Nails. Here are the nails. This is how the nails are looking. I feel like they're really cute. Also, I feel like I'm facing the opposite direction ya jua. I don't even know if like I'll be seen clearly, but yeah, so jana I came back home quite a bit late, so I didn't get to vlog, but I'm going to end this vlog here so that you can do something else. Yeah, so oh yeah, the laptop, I didn't even get to pick it. It's still not bado jaundwa. Sad, it's just sad, but positive energy all the way. Yeah. We're trying to work on that. Anyway, I'm gonna end this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share this video with a friend or two. Like this video. Comment if you have something to say. Yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. See you in another video.